In this video, we will show you the look of our scheduling and dispatch pages. This is the main screen that can be customized to display all trucks or just a single technician. If you are running a one-person business, you can view your entire week's schedule here and set it as your default view. By clicking on the settings icon here, you can set the default view or set it to display all service trucks or installations. If you wish to view a service or installation category for the entire week, you can do so. For now, let's set it to daily. This allows us to see all the trucks in one area. These are the number of technicians and trucks that we have. Here we have 4 trucks. One of them performs installations and services, another does repairs and services, another provides only services, and the last one is a duct cleaning truck. You can add as many trucks and technicians to this schedule as you need. On each truck, you can see a technician's name. If needed, you can also assign a helper. So a single truck can have 2 technicians, but only 1 technician can be assigned to a truck. Each technician is assigned to a single truck, not 2. Here we see 2 technicians. By clicking on the drop-down menu, you can contact the technician directly. This could be through a call, text, or email. If there's a phone system in place, you can dial their number or extension. The GPS feature allows you to track the location of the trucks or the technician's vehicle. The technician's reminder list is also visible here. Technicians check this reminder page first thing in the morning on their mobile devices. They can see their opportunities for the day, which means potential upsells. They can also see how many callbacks they have to make, what they need to pick up or drop off before starting their jobs, and when they need to refill their truck. The last refill date is displayed here, in this case August 28th. However, this is flexible and adjustable. When assigning a truck to a technician and providing them with stocks, you can set a schedule for refilling the stocks inside their trucks. The technician can do this at the job site or on their own time from their mobile. There's no need for them to come into the office. If you need to move a job from one truck to another, you can simply drag it. If you want to see all the details, you can expand it and then close it after viewing. Use the drop-down menu and scroll to see more details. Another feature is the notification system. If you attempt to assign a job to a truck with a technician who is not qualified for the task, you will receive a notification. This is to inform you that the technician is not qualified for the work. If you still want to proceed with the booking, it is possible. This feature is particularly useful for emergency situations where you might need to assign a job to a different technician. If you are moving a job within the same time slot, you will not receive any notification. However, if the timing changes, you will receive a notification alerting you of the change, for instance, from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. You will then have the option to notify the customer via email or text. If you choose to notify the customer, they will receive an email and a text message and can respond accordingly. On the right-hand side of the schedule page, you will see the capacity of the number of services we offer. This feature helps to prevent overbooking or underbooking on a daily schedule. If you click on capacity, you'll find more detailed information. We will cover this in another video, but for now you can see the percentage of bookings here. Our goal is to have 17 service jobs, with 16 being the minimum for 100% capacity. If you want to view other categories such as installation, yasen, you can do so. If there are no installations, the system will indicate 0. To check the date or move to the next day, simply click the arrows. If you want to see the entire schedule for 4 trucks on a weekly basis, click on Weekly. The system may take a moment to load the weekly schedule. Now you can see the schedule for the 12th, 13th, and so on. If you want to view the entire week, you can do so. You will notice 5 tabs at the top of the page. The tentative bookings are displayed at home. This includes all types of bookings, whether they are tentative, recurring, or membership-based. You can view them directly here, or you can revisit the schedule page. By clicking on availability, you can search for the nearest appointment time in relation to existing jobs. For instance, let's insert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 40th Street as the location. This location is too distant, so let's change the address to 104th Avenue and search again. Upon hovering over the results, you'll notice that none of these jobs are within a 25-minute radius. This job, for example, is 26 minutes away, while this one is 28 minutes away and this one is 38 minutes away. This feature aids in avoiding the booking of jobs that are too far apart. If you wish to view a specific technician's schedule, such as Tom's, you can see all his bookings on a weekly view. If you want to see services, simply click on Services to view the entire weekly schedule. For instance, service trucks are scheduled weekly, so you can check the weekly availability for each technician. You also have the ability to create a new booking from this page. We also provide an option to sort trucks, which we will cover in a separate video. Thank you very much for watching.